Hey, welcome back, Mighty Mustangs. My name is Mr. Baldwin, and I'm excited to be your math teacher this year. I'm happy to be in person in this building. That's going to be really cool to be back to somewhat of normal. We'll be in room 408. Many of you will have me for Math 8, otherwise known as pre-algebra. We'll get you ready for your Algebra 1 class next year in high school. Others of you will have me for geometry, where we'll learn some really cool stuff with angles and triangles and Pythagorean theorem and lots of neat stuff there. Either way, math rocks, guys. We're going to have a good time, learn a lot of neat stuff. Let's see. For anybody that needs to reach me, the best way to do that is through email. I do my best to respond within 24 hours, but sometimes it takes 48. Either way, I will get back to you and answer as best I can. We also have a question and answer session on the 16th. There'll be 2 of those there where you can ask me questions there as well. I also will be available. I'm going to make myself available at least one time a week for those that may need some extra help. Time to be announced yet. I'm still working out my own schedule in terms of what day or days that I can be free to do that. Either way, we're going to have a good time. I'm excited to be in this building and be actually in person and look forward to working with you guys.
Hello there. My name is Mr. Trask, and I will be teaching you guys U.S. History 1865 to today. We're going to cover an extremely wide range of topics from culture, music, and art to war, disease, and conflict. Now, our country has changed so much in the last 150 years. Our people, ideas, and perspectives have radically changed since then. In the past, having a 10-year-old work in the coal mines for 16 hours a day was normal. We're going to use examples such as these to observe and identify the changes in our society. Now, history is not always happy. It can be sad and even startling. My goal as a teacher is to prepare you guys for the real world and to help you to tackle the problems we all face today. Sometimes when we cover these topics, it's easy to say, well, that was a long time ago, or that's not my problem, or it's not my problem. Unfortunately, it doesn't take long for these problems to affect everyone, whether or not you know it. I'm looking forward to exploring topics from history and teaching you guys how to form your own ideas, perspectives, and opinions.
Hello, champion students and parents. Welcome to our open house for this school year. I am Miss Bates, the physical science teacher. I am located in room 407. This year, we're going to be studying physics and chemistry, so make sure you are prepared to do your labs on a regular basis. We have been given permission to do labs this year. A couple things to remind you about. Don't forget to check Synergy for grades on a regular basis. If you have questions about grades, please feel free to email me. Email me is the best way to get in touch with me rather than calling the office. The second thing to do is to check Schoology on a regular basis. This is where I'm going to post assignments, presentations from class, and notes from class. This is also where you will find our weekly agendas for the week, which includes labs. In addition to that, my class syllabus will be posted by the first day of school. You'll be able to see how we grade everything. Assessments are 40%. Quizzes and homework and labs are all 30%. If you have any questions about that, please refer to the student handbook, which is on the website. Next up are our Q&A sessions. Q&A sessions will be available during the following times. September 16th, which is a Thursday. We have 2 sessions. Feel free to attend whatever session works for you. The first one is 9:15 to 10 a.m. and the second one is 6 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. Please feel free to attend those sessions if you have questions that you need answered. You can also email us at any time if you have any other questions. Once again, welcome to a new school year and have a great
Welcome to English 8. I'm Mrs. Black, and I'm thrilled to get to work with you and your student this year. We will bring everything that the students have learned in regards to words, grammar, writing, reading, and research together as we explore the following themes: courage and heroism, exploration and discoveries. Third 9 weeks, we'll get into a better world, and we'll end the year exploring the theme of breaking barriers. Students will have various opportunities to continue to grow as readers, writers, thinkers, communicators, collaborators, and even creators. I do want to address the growth assessments that the students will take at the beginning of the school year. The first will be the statewide reading SOL growth assessment. And after that, they'll take the citywide MAP reading growth assessment, which students did take last year. The data that we gather from these two assessments will provide teachers with information needed to design lessons and units to address any possible areas of unfinished learning. Please reiterate to your students that there is no need to worry or stress about either of these assessments. More details will be provided soon. You can access this slide deck syllabus on your students' English Schoology course with lots more information pertaining to English class. I hope that you'll join our class Remind. You'll find the code on slide 7. If you have any questions for me, email is the best way to reach me. And if you need any further information or clarification, the Champions team, teachers will hold a virtual Q&A on September 16th, 2 time slots. More information about that will be coming soon. Have a great day. Again, I'm looking forward to a wonderful year.